Everybody have a smartphone, yeah? We're asking the massive them to stop putting out false information. It don't look good. Now the country has just been hit by a category 5. This is not something normal. You're going to feel some form of discomfort, yeah? It's gonna take time. And I just scroll the internet, I see people beating the Prime Minister left, right, and center. And I can just imagine being in the Prime Minister's shoes and with the work he has to do. Just keep in mind that the Prime Minister is only one person. I'm not PMP and I'm not JLP. I don't mix in politics, but it is time for us to just put everything aside, join hands and hands together, work together, and try to build up a country. Now is not the time to be pointing fingers and tearing down anybody. It's time for unity. But the morals of the story is stop spreading false information on the internet. It don't look good. One Jamaica, one love, one art, and we're gonna get this back together, alright?